Hey there. So, imagine this scenario. You're trying to locate a USB drive that you've plugged in, but you can't seem to remember the letter or path it's using. Quite a common problem, right? You know the name of the drive, but not where it's located. Tricky situation, for sure. Now, let's talk about the solution to this problem. The key lies in executing a PowerShell command within your command prompt window. By running the command PowerShell command get WMI object win 32_volume $_label EQ drive name. You can effectively search for the specific drive by its name. This command allows you to pinpoint the drive you're looking for based on its unique identifier. To sum it up, if you're ever struggling to find the path or letter of a USB drive with a known name, remember to use the PowerShell command provided. It's a quick and efficient way to locate your device amidst the array of connected drives. And with that, we've reached the end of our little tech tip session. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below. Remember, technology may be complex, but solving its problems can be quite simple.